Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making rich fudgy brownies that'll melt in your mouth. Trust me, this one's a crowd pleaser. Let's get started. First, grab 200 grams of dark chocolate, chop it into small cubes. Save about 50 grams for later. Now let's make a double boiler. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Add in 150 grams of our chopped dark chocolate minus the part we saved and 115 grams of butter. Stir gently until it's melted, glossy and smooth. Next, in another bowl, crack 3 eggs. And 150 grams of sugar. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk it up until it's light and fluffy. This will give our brownies that perfect texture. Now pour the egg mixture right onto our chocolate batter mix. Stir slowly, let them become best friends in the bowl. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. 75 grams of flour, 35 grams of cocoa powder, mix until it's all come together, but don't overmix. We want fudgy, not cakey. And just a pinch of salt. Remember the chocolate we saved earlier? Now let's add them. Those chunks are going to give you gooey chocolate pockets in every bite. Pour the batter into a 9 by 9 inch tray. Spread it out and bake at 175 Celsius for about 25 minutes. Alrighty, here they are, rich fudge brownies with that shiny, crackly top and melty chunk inside. Perfect with a cup of tea, coffee, or just on their own. I hope you enjoyed today's bake. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends. See you next time.